What if I told you that a new channel has managed to achieve unbelievable statistics with just one different idea and a completely unique approach? The channel I'm talking about is called SkillEarly. The channel was created in December 2021. But here's the thing, they only started posting content 2 months ago, and yet they've managed to amass over 3.6 million views with just 27 videos. Their most viewed video has gotten 1.1 million views in just 3 weeks, and another one has already surpassed 80,000 views. It's only natural that you're curious about what kind of content they produce. Well, here's where it gets interesting. They make videos about how to survive a real-life apocalypse. Content that's not only entertaining, but can actually be life-saving in times of crisis. If you've been with me for a while, you're probably familiar with this style, because I've already posted a full tutorial on how to make a doomsday short video channel. But here's the big difference. SkillEarly takes a completely different approach to this, and that's what makes them so amazing. First of all, they only focus on long videos. But more importantly, their editing style is incredibly cool. They use an editing style that combines color illustration with whiteboarding, which makes the look much more professional and incredibly addictive to watch. Normally, it would take weeks to create a full video of this quality. But what's the secret to this channel? Using a powerful AI tool, these guys create the entire video in under 15 minutes. And now, in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can produce similar professional videos in the same style easily and quickly. Now it's time to enter the ChatGPT site. At this point, simply copy the prompt that I posted on the Telegram channel and enter it into ChatGPT without any changes. After a few moments, artificial intelligence will generate the best and most accurate prompts for you. Prompts that are specifically designed for creating this style of video, and you can immediately use them to produce your own professional content. Just like that, with just a few clicks, you will have access to a set of ready-made, powerful and optimized prompts that will make the process of creating your videos many times faster and more professional. To create the script, use the same amazing AI tool I mentioned at the beginning of the video. I've included the link to the tool in the description, so you can jump right in. It's called Galpo AI, one of the best AI video producers for create. It's built by researchers and students at Stanford University, and is even backed by Y Combinator. And let me make an important point here. This is the exact same tool that the channel we talked about in this video uses to produce all of its videos. So you're going to be working with the exact same level of quality. Galpo AI isn't just great for producing YouTube content. Companies use it for educational videos and corporate reports. Schools use it to create interactive lessons. And students love its style. Advertising agencies also use this tool to create short professional ads. So as you can see, with just one tool, you can access dozens of different types of content. But let's move on. It's time to show you exactly why this tool is so revolutionary. The first thing is that this tool is not completely free. Galpo AI has several different plans, from the free plan to the professional enterprise versions. Just one important note. The colored animation option is only enabled on the growth plan and above, and for us content creators, the growth plan is the best choice. This plan has about 150 credits. That means you can produce 37 4-minute videos, or about 15 10-minute videos per month if you want to make longer videos. And now here's the exciting part. With this plan you get a complete script, professional voiceover and full-fledged editing in minutes. That's why this plan is truly an incredible offer. Galpo AI's interface is very simple and user-friendly. First you have a section for entering quick text. Just below that there's an option to add your own PDF files, which we'll get to more on later. This section has a checkbox to produce audio only. This option is very useful for when you just want to make a podcast. You can also instruct the AI and how to play the audio. This is completely optional and you can leave it off if you don't have a particular preference. If you're planning on adding a business-style presentation or stock video, you can also insert charts and graphs. As I said before, Galpo's AI can generate the full script for you, and there's also a checkbox to edit the script after it's generated. Now go to the prompt content section and copy and paste the prompt that ChatGPT prepared for you. This prompt contains all the instructions and details that the AI needs to generate the script and video. By entering this prompt, Galpo AI is ready to create a complete professional and ready-to-edit script for you. Then a section titled "Click or Drag to Attach Files" will appear. Here you can upload your ready-made text file or script. If you already have an article or written content, just drag and drop it into this section. Galpo AI will automatically read the file and convert it into a professional video. It really is that simple. Audio only section in Galpo AI. This section generates only audio, no video, suitable for podcasts or audio videos. Credit usage showable for podcasts or audio videos. Credit usage showable for podcasts or audio videos. How to write text. Select voice and language. Click Generate Audio. Download the audio file and use it in your video. You will see an option called Edit Script before creating the video. If you enable this option, Gulpo AI will first generate just the text script of your video, so you can check it and make sure it is exactly what you want. But if you disable this option, Gulpo AI will go straight to generating the video, without showing the script beforehand. There is also a color option. If you enable it, your video will be created in color. If you disable it, it may be black and white, or have a simple look, depending on the model. These buttons allow you to quickly adjust the type of video, from a fun and dynamic style, to a video with a lot of movement. You can also choose the duration of the video from 1 minute to 10 minutes, and later change it to 4 minutes or more if needed. For voiceover, you can choose a female solo or any voice you want. You can specify whether the narrator is female or male. In the orientation section, landscape mode is ideal for YouTube. But if you plan to create short content for TikTok or Reels, just set it to portrait. In the language section, the English option is selected, but you can choose any other language. There is also the option to add a custom logo as a watermark. Once you have made all the settings, just click the Generate Script button and the AI button will start creating it. Now your video script is prepared in the best possible way. And now click on Generate Video. Now everything is ready. Following the steps you've completed, all you need to do is click the download button. Wait a few moments for your video to be prepared, then download it. And that's it. Just like that, you've created a professional AI whiteboard video that's ready to be published on YouTube or any other platform. Go to the library section. This is where all the videos you've produced will be displayed. You can play them with a single click, or click Edit Video Settings to open all the clips in the video. If you decide to change a part of the video, you'll be presented with this page. Suppose you're not happy with the visual style of an image, or you want to change it a little. Here you can add a new reference image, or like me, ask the AI. Just click on the corresponding button. It usually takes only a minute for the new change to be applied, and you can repeat this process for as many clips as you want, whether to update or cancel a section. When the video is completely ready, you can download it. Just go back to the library and click on the download button. Thanks for sticking with me until the end of this tutorial. Until the next video.
When things go wrong in the cold, your body doesn't just get chilly. It starts a countdown to shutting down. This is hypothermia, and it begins when your core temperature drops below 95 degrees Fahrenheit. But the first casualty isn't your fingers or toes, it's your mind. You'll experience confusion, slurred speech, and fatigue. This cognitive decline is what makes the cold so treacherous. The one tool you need to save yourself is the first thing to fail. Your body's first alarm is shivering, but as hypothermia worsens, that alarm can fall silent. The shivering may stop completely, a sign that you're entering a critical stage. Your first line of defense is what you wear. Think of it as armor. Dress in layers to trap warm air. The base layer, next to your skin, must wick moisture away. Think polyester or wool. Your middle layer should insulate, using fleece or down. The outer layer must be windproof and waterproof. Avoid cotton at all costs. It absorbs moisture and pulls heat from your body.